Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicles orange. Start by juicing fresh oranges and tasting for sweetness. Add honey, sugar, or a splash of orange juice concentrate, then stir well. Pour into molds, leaving a small gap for expansion. For colorful layers, freeze one layer before adding another. Insert sticks when partially frozen and freeze until solid. Unmold under warm water and enjoy a bright, refreshing treat. Choose ripe oranges, a manual or electric juicer, popsicle molds, and a freezer that stays below 0 degrees F. If you want creamier popsicles, mix in yogurt or coconut milk. For tart brightness, add a splash of lime. Use a measuring cup to portion equal amounts into molds so sticks set evenly. Keep extra mix in the fridge while filling to avoid warm batches melting layers before they freeze solid. To vary flavor, blend orange juice with strawberry or mango puree for colorful layers, or swirl in a little yogurt for creaminess. Add finely chopped mint or basil for an herbal note that pairs well with citrus. For a lighter option, top off with sparkling water to add fizz without much sugar. Freeze each layer until slightly set to prevent mixing, and label molds if you make multiple flavors for guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.